So, Pastor Bryson, before we wrap up, do you have any questions for me?
I think my one question to you is how have you managed to get where you are today? Or maybe what have you ever had any share of challenges that probably you feel today they've made you become who you are?
I have challenges to this day. I'm having those challenges. I'm work in progress. You know, they say a business is never built. It's always been built. Just like us individuals. We're always in the process of being developed, of being unearthed, of growing, self-discoveries every single day. You know, so through my walk in life, I've had many, 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 many challenges. But one thing for sure, I've always looked at these challenges as an opportunity to grow and to become better and better and better and better. And that is what I do to this day. So, like you, we all share our experiences, you know, whatever they may be. Some good, some bad, some not so good. But the one commitment we should all make is to learn from them. Always ask the question, what am I to learn from this experience? What am I to learn? And once you start to look at things like that, there's nothing that can happen in your life that is negative. It's all positive because there's always something to take away from it. So to answer your question, I have experienced my share of challenges, and I still do to this day. But it's the lenses that I decide to use to look at these challenges. You know, they say when you change the way you look at things, the things you see also change. So we are in a position to determine our outcome based on how we see things. Yes. So that is my approach. That's what I do. And some days it works, you know, because we're human beings and sometimes we fall off the rail a little bit, you know, and we get thrown off and we get caught up in the emotion and the difficulties of things. But it's important not to stay in that place too long. You know, you said something earlier about, you know, tomorrow is always going to be a better day in your life. It's always going to be. So whatever challenges you're facing today, and the evidence is the mere fact that you're here today, it says one thing, that you've overcome everything that has ever been thrown at you. Every single thing, every single challenge and difficulties, you've overcome them, right? You've seen them. They're in the rearview mirror. They're in the rearview mirror. And those challenges and difficulties is supposed to prepare you for the new ones that are coming your way. Because, in fact, if you're not being challenged, you're not living as you should. You're not pursuing goals that are bigger than where you're at. So embrace your challenges, see them as opportunities to grow, see them as opportunities to achieve more than you've achieved before, whatever that is, you know? So that is my approach to it all.
Very true.
I look forward to these challenges.
Wow, amazing. Wonderful, wonderful. That I love what you've said. I believe that
Go ahead.
Yes. Oh, sorry. Okay, I was saying I'm happy with what you just said. Everybody has their share of challenges, and for sure, they're the challenges that make us who we are. It's how we see it, how we look at them, determines what will come. And I would say that has really worked even for me well. Every day, sometimes I go through some stuff probably, and I feel I don't know how I'm going to come out of this. But the fact that I'm seeing a possibility, it has really worked out well. And one way or another, I found myself out of it and keep on moving. And I believe by you sharing that, it has even pushed me to continue pursuing my purpose more. No matter what comes my way, I will look at it with the lens that even this one too I will overcome.